From Wild Science comes the Extreme Dogs of the World kit. Make and paint life-size plaster models. Build a beautiful diorama to display a realistic scene. And assemble an awesome 3D wooden puzzle. The full-colour instruction book and spectacular poster are full of amazing photos and facts about the biggest, the smelliest, the cutest, the meanest, and the scariest dogs on the planet. If you're wild about dogs, then you'll love Extreme Dogs of the World. And remember, there's only one Wild Science.